Hello, how to solve for f prime of x in this equation. F of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5x divided by 2x minus 1. This type of equation is called differential equation, and we're going to use the method called the quotient rule. Quotient rule states that for any two functions, say u of x and then v of x, where f of x is equal to u of x divided by v of x, then the f prime of s is equal to v of s multiplied by the u prime of s minus this u of x multiplied by the v prime of x divided by this v of x all squared. And in this equation now, we have 3x squared plus 5x divided by 2x minus 1 in this form of u of x divided by v of x. Then we can say that let u of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5x, which is the numerator, and then v of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Then based on the f prime of s, which we are looking for, then u prime of x is equal to d of 3x squared plus 5x dx, and this is equal to, if you differentiate this with respect to s, the derivative of 3x squared is 6x, then plus the derivative of 5x is 5. Therefore, u prime of x is equal to 6s plus 5. Also, v prime of x is equal to derivative of 2x minus 1 with respect to x. This is equal to, the derivative of 2x is, if you differentiate 2x, we have 2. And if you differentiate 1, we have 0. So, v prime of x is equal to 2. Therefore, f prime of x is equal to v of s, u prime of s minus u of s, v prime of x divided by v of s all squared, equal to v of s is 2s minus 1 multiplied by the u prime of s is 6s plus 5 minus u of s is 3s squared plus 5x multiplied by v prime of s is 2. 2, then divided by v of x all square. This is 2x minus 1 all square. This is equal to 2x times 6x, 12x squared plus 2x times 5, that is 10x, minus 1 times 6x, that is 6s, minus 1 times 5, that is minus 5, minus 3x squared times 2, 6s squared, then 5x times 2, that is plus 10x, divided by 2x minus 1 all square. This is 12x squared plus 10x minus 6x, that is 4x, minus 5 minus 6x squared minus 10x divided by 2x minus 1 all square. Here we have 12x squared minus 6x squared. This is 6x squared, then 4x minus 10x, this is minus 6x minus this 5 divided by 2x minus 1 all square. Therefore, f prime of x is equal to 6x squared minus 6x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 1 all square. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.